Hi NISD students. This video will show you how to access the status of your holds as well as how to access books that you've already checked out. If you log into your Chromebook, go to My Portal, click Follett Destiny. It will take you to the screen and then click NISD My Portal and it will take you to your Destiny Discover homepage. You can see that I have a 1 up here, so it's notifying me that I have something ready. So I'm going to click on these 3 lines and I have a hold ready. So I'm going to click on my holds. I have 1 hold that's ready and I have 1 hold that's pending. The hold that's ready I can go and pick up from the library or the librarian can deliver it to you. And the hold that's pending means that someone else already has it checked out and I will be either next in line to get it or I will be in line to get it when my turn comes up. So how do I access books that I've already checked out? I'm going to click those 3 lines again and I'm going to click on checkouts. Once I click on checkouts, it's going to bring up everything I have checked out. And then I'm going to want to open the book that I want to read. So I'm going to click open and it's going to bring up the book that I'm reading. Now it's going to bring it up exactly where I left off. And I have some options for this book. I can click on the A and it'll display my options. If the font is too small, I can make it bigger. If I want it on a single page instead of the double pages, I can click on single page. And if I want to change the background color, then I can change the background color to make it easier on my eyes to read. I can also put bookmarks in. I can also do some annotations and highlights, and then I do have an option for the computer to read things to me. So those are a few of the options that we have. And then if I want to jump through the chapters, it hasn't loaded completely yet, but I could click on the menu button and under Go To Page, it would have all of the chapters listed. So let's see if I have it listed here. There's all of the chapters that are listed. So I can switch through or flip through the book that way. Let's see if I can get it to change the pages for you so you can see what that looks like. So it can go to single page. I can change the background color and then I can increase the font to make it easier for my eyes to read. So there are definitely some options for you as far as changing the book to make it easier for you to read. When you are ready to close this book, you're just going to click close. It's going to take you back to your Destiny Discover and then you can log out from there. So again, in order to access your holds and see the status, you click the 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner. You're going to click holds and this takes you to the holds that you have. In order to access books that you have checked out that are ebooks or audiobooks, you're going to click those 3 lines again. You're going to click checkouts, and then you can open it from there. If you have any questions, please see your librarian. They will be more than happy to help you.